Hello, this is Steve Dahl over at Jackie Cooper Infiniti, giving you a brief tour of the 2020 QX30 Edition 30. This is a special edition featuring dark chrome for the 30th anniversary of Infiniti. As you can see, this black exterior with that dark chrome accents looks absolutely great. Check out those dark chrome alloy wheels all the way around. To the front grille and emblem. This vehicle in the showroom today features the graphite interior, so it is a black on black look. Main dash. Of course, it's got the dual display for us. All your climate controls, your radio controls, apps, navigation, steering wheel controls, as well as a spacious center console, around view cameras, accessible either manually or through the button. All in all, I'd love to have you come in, take a look at this great QX50. Give me a call, 918-806-8233. It's 806-8233. Love to have you come in. Bye.